All right, so we open up this week with another run on a glorious day in Carlsbad. It's like 65 degrees, sun's out, no clouds, it's beautiful. We're enjoying this. We know it's going to rain in a couple of days, but the rain's needed here. Robin, you got anything to say?
No, the view's great. It's a great place to run. We're getting ready to meet some friends of ours. Old friend of mine from college who used to live out here, and she moved to DC. When I found her, we were leaving for California, but she's out here with her daughter right now, so we're gonna have lunch with them in Solano Beach. So looking forward to that.
Yep, so us getting the running first, and then we'll go have fun. So talk to you guys in a little bit. So this is Solano Beach. I just wanted to show you what it looks like. This is a beautiful view. And this is Robin and these are our friends, yeah. Debbie and Isaac.
Hello.
Hello, everybody.
Long lost friends.
Long lost friends.
Long lost friends.
We won't say how many.
Right.
Anyway, we're enjoying it here in Solano Beach, and we'll just show you a little more view there. And we'll talk in a little bit.
Then we'll be. So yeah.
So why hard?
Well, we'll have to have one. We'll have
This is pretty cool. They actually closed the Pacific Coast Highway down in Encinitas to put this fair together. So if we can actually find a parking spot, so we have to actually get off the Pacific Coast Highway. And if we can actually find a parking spot, we're gonna get out there and check out this fair that is in Encinitas. Well, we found a spot, so we're gonna head to the fair. It's right behind me, you can see that. So we're gonna take a look at that and see what they got. All right, so it was bound to happen. We're only like a little more than an hour and a half from LA, and we need to get an area rug for our living room, and we're told that LA has the best rugs. So we're heading up to LA, and this is what you get when you head up to LA. Traffic. So we knew this was gonna happen. So it usually takes an hour and a half. I think it's gonna take a little more than that today, but the traffic should open up a little bit because I get off this highway in a little bit. So a little more than an hour and a half is not too bad. We are now in Los Angeles. You can see the city over there. I'll show it to you in 1 minute. But a lot of traffic here, a lot of traffic here.
There's a bunch of stuff out here. I don't know what it all is. We're in the garment district of Los Angeles, and there's just stuff all over the street here. Lots of party supply stores. It's really, really pretty interesting if you ask me. Look at all this stuff. It's pretty cool. Holy cow. And this stuff is just all out on the street.
Yeah, I must have a lot of parties here in LA, I guess.
So there's more stuff right here. Chris, you just keep your eye on the road. I'll film. All right. Well, this is kind of cool. Just wanted to show it to you. If we see something else cool, we'll show you again. Here's some garments. These people are videoing too. We're not the only ones vlogging. Anyway, a lot of fabric here in the garment district. It's pretty cool. It looks different than the
In 0.1 miles, turn right.
All right, so we're in the garment district looking for rugs. So what do you think, Robin?
I think it's very interesting.
Yeah, it's very interesting. So we'll show you a little more as we get to the rug place. What it looks like, and we're waiting to find the rug place.
I think this is it.
Okay.
درست نیست نگارش داشتیم.
That's too much. I mean, it's a good color, but too much.
Too much.
The first one.
All right, so we decided to take a little bit of a break and from looking at a bunch of rugs because we're really confused now, and we're going to get a little bit of lunch at this nice little Italian place. What's it called?
Tironi.
Tironi. So we're going to do this and then we'll get back to the rug buying. How's your food? All right. This is mine. So I got meatballs in there. I'm not going to eat the bread. And a nice salad. And you got a nice tuna salad. Eating a little bit healthy there. All right, so we got our rug. It's in the back there. You can see it. And we will use that in our new home when it's ready. So we'll just have to keep it in the car until our place is ready sometime. We think Christmas Eve. So we just left the garment industry and now we are in the flower industry, I guess. District. I guess we're in the flower district, and I think that was it. That was the flower district. So we're just driving around downtown LA and just seeing what Los Angeles has to offer. This is a street walk now. They're still standing out there. This must be like the theater area, possibly. Yeah, it looks like it. Globe Theater, but they're all like closed and. Oh, MedMen, that's what Andy told me about. I've got to take a picture of that. So we just made a big square. Oh yeah, right. Okay. Never drive home from LA to San Diego during rush hour. This is what you get. guy is actually walking with the tire behind him to get exercise. All right, so since we have to get a bunch of stuff for our new house, we're actually getting involved in the whole Black Friday fun. So we actually started it off last night, Thanksgiving night, which I thought was kind of crazy, but we picked up a coupon from Bed Bath & Beyond we're going to use now, and we went to Best Buy and we actually bought a TV set, an amplifier, and a mounting rack for the TV set, and got some, great deal, because that's what you do, I guess, when you go out on that tech. So of course it was completely nuts, but it was fun. And now we're going to Bed Bath & Beyond. We have our coupon, and we're going to go try to grab a toaster oven, some plates, and some other things that you need to have for a house that we sold everything when we were in Maryland, because it was going to cost more to move it out here than what it was worth. So anyway, that's what we're doing, and I'll show you a little bit of that when we're at Bed Bath & Beyond, because who knows what else we pick out. All right, so we got rid of our toaster oven at the old house, so we're going to grab up one of these. It's a pretty good price. So we're thinking about getting one of these things because we got rid of our other ones. This keeps your silverware all nice, and I think that we'll get that, right? All right, maybe we'll get that too, because the miscellaneous stuff. So we're thinking of getting two of those things actually, because I think that we're gonna have some junk, so that'll help. And if we don't need it, we can always bring it back. That muffin tin might be too big, right? But that one, you like that one right there? Yeah. Okay. So we'll probably grab that one. So we need some glasses, but we're not sure if we want to get these.
How come you don't like these?
They look old-fashioned to me, but if you think they're okay, we can grab them. What do you think? Oh, yeah, so we're going to go with those over there. You got it? So we're going to grab those. They don't look bad. They're pretty normal. So no house is complete without wine glasses, and we got rid of all of ours because, again, moving wine glasses 3,000 miles was not going to work. So we're going to grab these. Those plates kind of bring out a little bit the blue in the house, but maybe it's a little too much. Those look pretty cool too. I think they would work. They're a little taupey. We don't really have taupe in the house, but this one has a good pattern too. So maybe we'll look at that one. Oh, you see another one over there? Which one were you looking at?
They're kind of heavy too.
Yeah, those look heavier than some of the other ones that I've looked at. But is heavy bad?
Yeah, I don't like them.
Oh, okay. Yeah, so these look beachy, and we are in a beach house, but they look a little old-fashioned, and so we're not sure if we're going to go with that or that one. More beachy, but I don't think that blue would go in our house. So we didn't love the plates, so we're going to hold off on getting the plates, and I'm sure there's going to be other places and sales all over the place until the holiday, so we'll get a good deal somewhere. Our basket is getting kind of full, so we're going to grab another basket. So we need something like this for the shower. So put all our junk that we need for the shower. So we have to decide, I guess it's between that one or that one. But we'll take a look at that and we'll see which one. We're thinking of getting this one. This is what it looks like out of the box. What are you thinking? Which one do you want to get?
Well, this one has adjustable shelves. I'm assuming these are adjustable also.
I'm sure they are. We can take a look at that though. So looking at it, we noticed that this one has more adjustable shelves. So even though it costs more, I think it's going to work better than the other one, because we have a lot of junk to put in the shower. So we'll probably use that one. All right, now we got to look at some towels, because obviously we're going to need towels when we move into the new place. We have a couple that we bought, but in our temporary place, but it's not going to be enough. So now we're going to have to look at some of these and see what we get. All right, we found our towels. We're going to pick up 6 of these babies. That's the color. That's the type we want. So I think we're just about winding this part of our shopping down. Sorry. So this is our haul. We're ready to check out. I think we did pretty good damage. What do you think, Robin?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's all she needs to say. We got it to the car. So now we just have to get in the car. We're here it's Small Business Saturday in Carlsbad, so we're just kind of checking it out. So we're still looking for a picture for the back of our couch. So we like this metal art photography, but we're gonna blow it up so it's really big. We could do that. So we just need to pick one that's gonna complement our place, but that's what we're looking at right now. Now that is one big dog. That's an Irish wolfhound, and he's just cruising the beach, but that's one big dog. They're having a lot of fun with dogs here today. So we're running along Oceanside right now. That's the Oceanside Pier. We're gonna take a look at it. We're almost done with our run. We're gonna take a look at the pier, and because we've never been down there, believe it or not. So anyway, we'll show you. All right, so we're done with our run, and now we're gonna go to the Oceanside. We're actually walking down the Oceanside Pier now just to check it out. Robin, what did you think of the run and the pier so far?
Yeah, it was good. The pier looks nice so far too.
All right, that sounds good. So we're gonna show you a little bit of the pier. You know. So right off the pier, there's a bunch of surfers out there.
Okay, we're gonna change gears, and you can't say this one because I know you already know. Yeah, I got a friend now.
All right, so we're closing out this week with a nice little run in Oceanside. And it's November 30th, and the day after Black Friday. We did a little bit of shop small stuff. Now we're out here running. We might get hit by a bike, we don't know. I guess they missed us. And
Hey, you guys are gorgeous. Smile.
thanks.
Smiling keeps you younger and healthier.
All right. Looks like we have some fans. Anyway, Robin, you have anything to say?
No, this is going to be probably our normal running route when we move here.
Yeah, so because we'll be here soon. Our place is gonna be, like we said, we'll probably move in Christmas Eve. We'll keep you guys posted. Week 18 is over, and look for us in week 19. We'll talk to you later. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button, and also please subscribe and click on the notification button to get all this great content that's coming up every week. Thank you.